Did you know that you can earn money by reading books? In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money just by reading, so make sure to stick with me till the end. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online with zero experience. So how can you do it? This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money. Also, is available worldwide. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day. Now let's get started. Let's make some money. You can choose to be paid per hour or per minute. It is a really safe option and you don't need to worry because you will always be paid as much as you work. Now one bonus tip and the second way you can get paid is Trough share royalties on these books 50-50. In this way you take a risk that you will maybe not get paid. But on the other hand, if the book or project does good, you will get paid probably much more. You would be paid with 50% of sales, but if books get a small amount of sales you will earn much less money or even no money. So you need to decide wisely how you want to get paid. But before you start earning money you need to register to this website. You need to pass the audition. Once they accept you and approve your request, you will be able to work and you will start getting job offers daily. And you will be able to work every day and earn money every day. It doesn't mean that you have to work every day. You will be able to choose when, where and how much you want to work. Then you can just submit the file back to ACX and you will get paid. You can choose if you want to get paid directly to your bank account through PayPal, Skrill, Payzer or any other service. So first you need to create an account, absolutely for free. I already have one, so I'm going to log in. After that, you need to record some samples and add it here. Now you can find a book to read and earn money. If you decide to get paid per hour, as you can see here, this book is paying $50 to $100 per hour. Now take a look at these books on Amazon. Let's say that you worked with this book here, and you chose to be paid with 50% of royalty. As you can see, this book has thousands of positive reviews, which means that was sold at least 10 times the reviews, so that is tens of thousands of sales. And if you multiply that with the price, you will see that this book earned over $100,000. You would be paid with 50% of sales, so that would be at least $50,000. And that is how you can earn money just by reading. Make sure to leave a like on this video. And to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future money making methods.